15. I'll be out with Tom Holstead ready for his mom's place.
That'll work.
He ran inside. Tom, get out here. Tom, get out here. You're under arrest. Hey, Tom just ran in here for me. He's got a warrant.
Right.
Which way did he run? Up the stairs?
Okay, just get in here. I'll get him.
Okay.
I can't close the door.
No. You can't close the door.
I'm not closing the door. Get out.
Come downstairs right now. They're catching obstruction charges, too. I'm not trying to bug your mom here. That's why I've been leaving you alone.
Okay, buddy, do you have a warrant?
You have a warrant.
I have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant when you run away from me into your
I
house.
have a warrant for what?
For probation violation.
I'm not on probation.
Well, apparently you are. It's a felony warrant.
You should probably check your circumstances.
Wait, what?
Hey, is this Brandon or what?
Yeah.
Alright. You should look up 611.46 subdivision 2.
I'm not going to do that. You have a warrant. It doesn't matter.
That would actually have jurisdiction over
All
you.
right. Let's stop making you this. I'm trying not to bug your mom here.
Hey, Brandon, look it up.
No, I'm not looking it up.
And if you're right, then I'll come with you. I promise.
It doesn't matter about any statute. You have a
Yes,
warrant
it does,
signed by a judge.
What do you mean I have a warrant for my arrest for what?
For probation
I'm
violation.
not on probation, you fucking retard. I don't have a final conviction.
You are on probation.
No, I'm not. I don't have a final
Well, you are. The warrant was signed for probation violation.
Brandon, I'm not on probation.
I don't know why you think you're not, but apparently you are.
No, I'm not. Because you have to have a final conviction in order to be on probation.
Not if you were released with conditions.
No. Yeah, actually you do. Because if I'm released with conditions and I'm found incompetent, then it relates.
Well, the judge thinks you're.
611.46 subdivision 2. Look it up.
The judge thinks you're competent, apparently, or he thought it was worthy of a warrant. So.
Oh, the judge on the one where you guys just made up the law. There's no such thing as criminal damage property subdivision 4. There's 1, 2, and 3, and subdivision 4 is the
15, 31. Just FYI, I'm code 4. I'm sitting here talking when he's up on the top of the stairs here.
Wait, do you have a fucking warrant?
You're not gonna close the door on me.
Well, you don't have a warrant, so I don't know why the fuck you're in my house. Mom, hit your camera and start recording.
Come down.
No, hit your camera and start recording, Mom, please. You don't have a warrant, so I don't know why the fuck you're in my house, number one.
Because you run from me, and this is your address, so I can come in your house for a felony.
Give me a warrant.
For a felony warrant.
Give me your warrant, please.
Let's
Where
go.
is it? No.
Let's go.
No. Where's your warrant?
It's crazy that you want to drag your family through this.
It's crazy that you're retarded and you don't know the fucking law and you're trying to enforce it. Here.
Come down the stairs.
No.
Come down the fucking stairs.
Oh my god, really? That's how you're gonna be? Wow.
Tom, knock it off.
Okay, well he just absolutely...
Hold on. I got it. Tom, you gonna be good?
Yeah, he just yanked me down the whole entire flight of stairs by one leg.
Let's just get some cuffs on you.
That was pretty ridiculous. Must say.
Give me your hand.
Holy fuck. Pretty sure you just broke my fucking leg.
So you say every time we break something, right?
No, because they don't have jurisdiction over me, to be honest. They do too. No, they fucking don't.
There you go.
Yeah.
Careful, sir.
My leg hurts bad.
Yeah, my arm hurts. That door scratched the fuck out of me.
Let's go to this one.
We will.
Here. Have to make sure you don't have anything on you. We're gonna go to this side.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're fucking all over.
You wanna go to the hospital?
Yeah, I would like to.
Sure, we'll bring you there.
Okay, thank you. I guess I was able to just survive, but not anymore.
Well, yeah.
Well, yeah. Okay.
I yanked him pretty hard, so.
Yeah, I think the door got me and you're this. See, he boxed me out.
He was gonna close the door on me, so I went inside.
I'm like a golden retriever. I see a
But
tennis ball and I gotta go after it.
he was out there. I lit him up. He comes all the way around, goes inside, shuts the door on me, so I go inside. So he's gonna catch a fleeing by foot too.
Cool.
Which will really stop him.
Yeah.
It'll show him. Well, I'll take one of you at the hospital if you want to come with me. All right. 15, third one. You have that paper copy in hand, right?
Of course, I have the paper copy for probation violation, felony, first arrest.
Getting out to the hospital.
And out to hospital, 1909.
Yeah, you say that every time. 15's 10, 15, 10, 19 year old to Wellia if you want to give him a call. Heads up.
Stand for.
What's that? Terroristic threats. I'm not sure the ICR number. You want to know the ICR or what? Okay, after we get you checked out, I'll look it up. 15's up.
1911.
I think you bit off a little more than you can chew this time, bud.
Yep, sounds good.
1912.
Where you going?
I'll bring it this way. Okay. There should be a wheelchair in here. Otherwise, you could sit down. We could have someone come out.
Yeah.
You know what my warrant is for?
Your warrant?
Yes.
It's probation violation, terroristic
Not on
threats.
probation.
I'm just telling you what it is. So
Well, you should probably check your jurisdiction.
I just got it confirmed. It's all confirmed. So we'll head through there. Hello. Long time no see.
Yeah, long time no see.
Yeah. You guys,
Birthday, Tomo.
Why are you talking to my people about my?
Because they want to check you in.
I can't check you in until I have a birthday.
Yeah, well, that's great, but HIPAA violation says he can't talk to you about my medical.
You want to just talk to her directly?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
walk up, Tom.
Yeah, I'd like to know what you guys, who signed over for you guys?
How do you spell your first name?
Who let you talk to him about the medical information? I believe that HIPAA violations restrict that one.
We're not sharing any medical information. We're sharing your name and date of birth, which is
I need to.
I don't know what the
information we
fuck
have.
this retard is talking about, but I'm trying to talk to my medical provider right now.
Can you tell me your last name?
That's my last name is Olsen. And next time you want to talk to me, try to talk to me.
Yeah, but those two aren't really like, oh.
Well, he pretty much yanked me down like the whole entire flight of stairs. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was fucking. And then also, I would actually like to, so on 1/1/2023.
Two is our
Hold up. I'm trying to talk to you. I'm on medical history.
Well, I'm not a nurse, so that would be more for you.
But these are things that I would like to agree to put within my file, I guess.
Okay,
So-
I can't do that right now. I just wanted to catch me.
Yeah.
You can't put things within my
Would have gone pro.
We have
Two
St.
for
Clair's
now.
1411.
Hey, you know what you
679.
have a fiduciary duty to do with my resident.
1411?
We're trying to get you into a room so you can share that information, okay? Not in a public place.
And I would like them to be locked up when I talk to
How you doing?
How are you?
Not too bad.
Well, you're in handcuffs, so we can't really do that.
Actually, you have to, or else you're fired.
If you are under arrest, we can't do that.
Okay, man. We'll see.
Okay, so two for now and maybe.
You cannot blame me. It was just fine for you.
Is he in custody?
Yes.
Okay, then they have to be into the room.
You have to be.
Room 2?
So
Is that over here?
That's over here.
Over there?
I have no medical privacy then?
If you are, you do, but if you are,
Put this on ready.
if you are in custody,
Man, can you put this on ready?
Sorry.
I'm not sure you are.
I am.
Okay, perfect. Room two. We're gonna go
How's the other guy? Is he
and then we'll get.
not a problem right now? That's good.
Problem at the moment.
Good. At least that one's working for you.
Okay, we're going to room two. Room two.
Around the
if
corner?
You can bring him
Yep.
this way.
Yeah, ask multiple questions. We had a really great talk.
We're here for a leg injury. In custody.
To the right here? I think it's the open door, but make sure before we walk in. What's up? Should be, yep, this one. Room number 2. Oh, there we are. If the judge made a bad warrant, that's on him, man. Well, you weren't listening to me and told you were under arrest. Yeah, it's fine. I'm not here to debate whether I'm a piece of shit or not. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
He also doesn't like that he is under custody and doesn't have.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Too bad. Oh,
Yeah.
probably a good thing.
Right. You hear from me? I don't. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not doing a blood draw or anything, so.
I just got back from lunch and saw the tracker, and I'm like, I better head over here.
Oh, gotcha.
We're gonna split here, so looks like he's not fighting.
He's like, why? Bullying out.
You wanna hang out?
Everyone's antsy.
What do you got to do?
Stop cars and.
You know what though? Actually, he's in the city now, so I better take it.
Yeah.
Didn't I see that? It's 2531. Just let us know if anything comes through. They're gonna understand that means call.
Oh, I'm just worried. It's really like that one time when I had like an assault and everything else, and they didn't bother burying it because I got covered in blood, so we parking lot for an hour waiting.
Dude,
I'm still rolling
a
too.
medium.
Is it
I
medium?
can fit
These
my
are large.
Zip them. You don't even need to unzip them. They're so big. Yeah, they're like an XL in my opinion.
They're at least a large. Yeah, XL.
They say medium right on them. But I'm like, they're not a medium.
I would say probably those are a large because I can squish a
What did I
large
do to
on.
violate my probation?
I don't know.
You know,
We don't need to know.
I just violated my probation. I did nothing.
There's a warrant for you. We don't need to know the details of why you're violated.
Once you got it, you're
I
kind
did
of
nothing
stuck
but
with
sit
it.
on the road charge.
Okay. Well, maybe you weren't in contact with probation. I don't know.
I don't have a probation.
Well, then I really don't know. So. No. If you have a warrant, I don't know what everyone's warrants are for. If I find someone down the street that I don't even know who they are, but I know they have a warrant, I'm not gonna know all the details of their past. We don't need to know that.
For $9, whatever.
Has jurisdiction whether it's legal or not, correct?
If it's signed by a judge, it's legal. Well, we're not going to tell the judge he's wrong about it.
Okay, well, Brandon,
You have to go through the legal
I'm
process
asking-
to tell him that
I'm
it's
asking you as a friend. I've been found incompetent in my case, right?
okay. That's what I thought.
Yes. So can you please look under 611.46 subdivision 2? Just please.
Sure. I'll sit
As
down.
a friend.
6. All right. Well, let me hold on. Let me pull it up.
611.46.
Hold on. Hold on. 1 second. 611.46
Subdivision 2.
sub 2.
And that's what should have jurisdiction on the one to the one incompetent. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll agree with you.
Let's see here. Subdivision 2. Hello.
Tom. Good, how are you? I'm sorry you have to be here.
Yeah.
I'm Kevin.
I like this.
Which leg is it?
Why did I yank down all 46?
Left leg or right leg?
Why I yanked from this leg, so this leg was
The
the trailing leg.
Okay, it was this one. Okay, I just want to make sure I write the right note. No, that's the left leg. Perfect. Okay. Last name Olsted. Birthday 7286. All right. Over the top here.
What's up? So it's saying that there's
It says that the forensic navigator had jurisdiction on it, correctly? Or incorrectly?
no. It says that it's pretty much determining whether you need pretrial supervision after release.
No, it says
There, and it says that there's a
it says once it
there's
is
a
found-
scale.
It says once it is found that I need pretrial supervision, then the forensic navigator has jurisdiction over me. And then it goes on to say at the very end of it, it says that she cannot search me, she cannot search my persons, my property, or anything. I need to break in this
It says a forensic navigator may not conduct searches, seizures of property or persons.
And she's the one that has jurisdiction on me when you read the beginning of it. We just start with something.
You want me to read it verbatim?
Yes.
Okay. So, upon a finding of incompetency,
That's what has happened in my cases.
okay, if the defendant is entitled to release, the court must determine whether the defendant requires pretrial supervision.
Yes, and that,
Okay.
that determination would go under so it'd be under 253.02 subdivision 217, which would be whether I'm a detriment to society or whether I'm a danger to myself or anybody else.
Okay.
Because it's the commitment law.
Okay.
So they've never actually done that part, but let's keep on going.
Okay. Well, do you have questions for him, son?
Oh, just a couple. No allergies, right? You're not allergic to anything?
No, sir.
What number is your pain at? 0 to 10.
He ain't me on it pretty good. My fucking leg hurts pretty bad.
Okay. What time did it happen?
10 minutes ago.
Okay.
Alright. And I actually like to do the x-ray over my shoulder too.
Is your shoulder hurting as well?
Well, I have a separated, I have a level 3 AC separated shoulder that he yanked me by. And then I also have I have two major heart conditions. So I have my left ventricle in my main artery of my heart is actually an abnormality, and then I also have it's called Parkinson's disease.
Will Park, yeah.
Yeah, I believe that one of them's in your system, the other one isn't, because you guys probably go.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, so when they start doing things like this, it's pretty dramatic, I'd say.
If he needs anything, red nurse buttons on you.
Okay. Sounds good, boss.
Let's see. I'm sure I got a couple more. Let's see. Alright. Happened today. So left shoulder, left knee, correct?
Yeah, and
Or
then
left leg?
and then two heart conditions.
2 heart. Yep. Perfect.
I don't know why we're sharing this information with the cop right here. I believe it's probably my hip right, to be honest. Actually,
Well, you are currently under arrest.
yeah, that's fine. He could go stand out there. That'd be admirable, but I guess this hospital just doesn't seem to.
When you are in restraints, law enforcement needs to be within arm's reach of you at all times in order to remove the handcuff, so he cannot be out there.
Yeah, well, I'm not actually on probation. I don't have a final conviction.
I just know you're in handcuffs right now, my man, so that's what I got.
Okay, sir. Well, 609.14, that only adheres to a final conviction, so I don't know.
Tomo, he's not gonna know all that, man.
Yes, well, you should. If you're gonna go pulling people down.
I know, but he's not gonna unarrest you. You know that.
Yeah, well, that's great. Well, you shouldn't be pulling people downstairs like that.
Well, you should be walking away from me when I told you you're under arrest.
Well,
I mean, this is kind of a circular argument. We're just gonna disagree on it, and that's fine. We can disagree.
that is.
We're never gonna come to the same page there.
I go with your child, but you just done fucked that up. But
What's that?
I tried to leave you to be with your child. I wasn't ever gonna see you. I was, let her fly the first strangulation. But you done fucked up.
Sounds good.
Alright, yeah, for the.
So just to make sure I get x-ray of the part that's hurting, I said knee. Is it the knee? Is it the ankle? Whereabouts in the leg would you say?
My whole entire, this whole entire side.
This whole leg from the hip all the way down?
Yes.
Okay, alright, sorry for grabbing it. Okay. Alright, quick tempo under the tongue here.
Can you guys, can I see your policies and procedures for when you guys have people in here, the proper please?
Let me work on that because I don't have that readily available. I have it within the system, but
I'd like it before I leave, yes.
I will see what I can find for you.
Well, no matter what, finance matter what it is.
Okay.
all the video law. You guys are,
Not that records in, not in
can I
here.
get put in a room that does?
I do not have a room that's, those cameras are live only and they do not record and they are full right now,
I'm a
so.
suicidal patient, so I would recommend.
Well, it's a good thing that he's in here with you to watch you, so. Alright, Dr. Manson.
You have a fiduciary duty to do what's in my best interest, by the way. But yeah, if you could look up whatever probation violation I violated, because I didn't know if there was a probationary. Adhere to actually.
I don't have it on me, but when we get to the car, I can try to do a little digging.
Yeah, that'd be beautiful.
I don't know if it's gonna show me the exact violation. I can look up maybe who your probation is or when was
Not
violated.
probation. I don't have a conviction. Look at my history. You have to have a final conviction in order to be on probation.
I got you.
It's not rocket science. I mean, I'm sorry that you guys want untrained. I will. There has to be a final conviction or there to be a probationary sentence or a violation of the boss.
Yeah, there can be pretrial release conditions though.
No, actually, there isn't. There's a difference between an appearance bond and a probationary stay. And I guess I'll file a strangulation charge against you. I wasn't going to. I actually wasn't 100% going to just let you slide on that one. Because I appreciate what you said. When you actually told the truth on the testimony of what you were doing with my child. I expected that. Fortunately, you didn't.
You appreciated what part of the testimony?
That you told the truth. You're the one that's ever told the truth within the police department.
Oh, I appreciate that.
You said that I was good with my child, which I was.
I still think you are.
You like listen to our told the truth, so I was 100%. I guess it's worth $25 million. I was just gonna let it slide. I don't know. I respect you. I love your family. I love Bucky. I love your mom. I love your dad.
Mhm.
I love your family.
We love your family, man.
I love you, to be honest, but
I got no hate for you.
not when you're gonna pull me down to shit like that. Cause that's
Well.
fucked up.
I would have liked it if you just respected me enough to just let it
I'm not
go.
on probation though, bro.
Okay, well, we could have had a conversation cordially outside by the squad.
Yeah, that's,
You know what I'm saying? It could have been done a different way.
that's great. Well, you should run the law before you try to enforce it.
All right.
That's all it is. You have AI?
What's that?
You have AI at all?
AI?
No.
I don't think I
I
might.
want you to scan that, scan my gaze, and then scan whether I'm on probation or not.
Scan your
That's
kid.
it.
AI is that good, huh?
Oh, I don't know. That's a lot better than you are. I mean, yours is really that bad, I told you.
Okay.
To be honest.
Well, AI is pretty smart. Yeah. I believe it. AI knows pretty much everything on the internet, so by design, you're gonna be smarter than any human.
Yeah, well, it's just one of those things, I mean, I got to have probationary things to abide by before I can violate my license.
I'll call dispatch, see what they say, who your probation officers. See what they have any info on it. I'm just curious. See if they have any information on it.
Well, that's fine. You can call me, do whatever you want, but look at my criminal record. It's gonna say I don't have one.
Hello. Hey, while we're waiting here, who's Thomas's probation officer? It doesn't say like anything about the violation or anything like that. I don't know if you'd be able to see that part. Sure.
Why is he in the hospital? Or why can't you bring him away?
It was, we had to pull him down the stairs a little bit, so.
We were wondering.
Mm-hmm. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, he'll probably be getting an x-ray or something, or I'm not sure, but once we're done here, and then we'll head over, but yeah, while we're sitting here, we're kind of just wondering, because he doesn't think he's on probation. So,
You have to have a final conviction.
Yeah, well, he is on probation.
right, and I was just hoping we could find a little bit more details, like
Well, ask what my
who-
final conviction is.
who the, Lucas Athey? Okay. What? Okay. Did it say when the probation started? 7/5 of 24. That's the original offense date. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Well, if you would,
Mm-hmm.
you look up, do you have to have a final conviction to be on probation under 609.14?
I'm not arguing with the warrant.
Just look up whether you have to have a final conviction or not. It's not that hard.
There can be conditions, and I'm not sure how the warrant's going to appear, right? But it says you're on probation.
An appearance bond is way different than a probationary stay.
Mm-hmm. I understand that.
Yes, in order to be on a revocation of stay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you please, just look up 609.14. What does it say?
I'm going to look up the statute. All right.
It says revocation of stay. Well, I don't have a stay to revocate because I've never been sentenced.
You've never been sentenced for anything? For terroristic threats a couple years ago?
Nope, I don't have a.
Because that's what this is for, apparently.
Yes, I don't have a criminal history. I've never ever been allowed even to challenge probable cause on any of my charges. I'm sorry, you're missing one. There's actually a. I'm ready for your before. I'm just recommending doing a PDF on the statute, flipping in the AI, and do you need a final conviction or not? That'll tell you the reality of the situation.
So revocation of stay, it says here can include, let's see here. So it can be, let's see here.
So that's if you need a final conviction.
Well, I'm going to get to that point here. So, when the defendant has violated any of the conditions of probation or intermediate sanction, or has otherwise been guilty of misconduct that warrants the adjudication of guilt, or imposition or execution of sentence.
Yes, I've never been sentenced. Never.
The court may, without notice, revoke the stay and direct the defendant to be taken.
I've never been allowed a probable cause hearing.
Yeah.
So how can you be sentenced without a probable cause hearing? You can't.
I don't know.
Just so you know. You're missing one, I'm sorry.
I can't hear you. What's that?
Your body camera say no, but no, who's on?
Yeah, it's all recorded.
We'll see if they'll fucking let it go.
What's that?
We'll see if they'll let it go.
Let what go?
The body cam footage.
Like release it to you?
Yes.
Yeah, why wouldn't they?
Well, they haven't, from the 618 arrest,
Um,
when they throw me into a coma.
what's that?
They haven't from the 618 arrest, they actually arrested me. They drug me into a coma here.
Drug you into, oh, like they sedated you or whatever?
Yeah, they shot me to be your concoction.
Oh, and you were trying to get the body cam for that?
Yeah,
I gotcha.
and they arrested me.
Yeah, I don't know what, why, I mean, I know you've gotten footage before. Is it normally pretty quick, or does it take a while?
Oh, they only released me the footage for the last like 4 or 5 times.
Right, but when you have gotten it, is it pretty quick, or do they kind of just, does it drag on?
They just fired everybody they have. Everybody has the rights to the footage. Chapter 13.08 says if you don't do this within 2 years, subject to liability. It's a couple of minimum loss, not more than that, which is more than 2,000 to. The last one they charged with fourth degree criminal damage to property, and it doesn't exist. It's not even for a second. Fourth degree is a negligence, and it's a petty misdemeanor. It's not illegal.
For the phone or whatever at the lobby? Gotcha. They charge you with fourth, and you're saying that one doesn't even exist? Or it's for something completely different?
Yeah, you can look up it on it. Yeah.
Sure. We got nothing but time. I'll look it up.
Fourth degree criminal damage to property. So look up fourth degree intentional criminal damage to property under Minnesota statute. There's a negligent fourth degree, but it's a petty misdemeanor, and it's not jailable offense.
Alright, damage to property. First degree, second degree, third degree. Fourth degree, whoever intentionally causes damage described in subdivision 2 under any other conditions is guilty of a misdemeanor. So subdivision 2. Whoever causes intentionally causes damage described in subdivision 2. Oh, give me a second here. I'm not as fast as you, guy. What's it? So it seems like it is a statute. Fourth degree is whoever intentionally causes damage described in subdivision 2 under any other circumstances. So less than $500 would be a misdemeanor. So they're saying it's a misdemeanor charge or something.
Please look up audit and 33-CR-26-43.
Your case number or your case file?
Yeah, look up search on it. Tell me whether it's a statute or not.
Oh, I'm looking at the revisor right now, though. It is a statute. Oh, where are we at? Criminal damage to property in the 4th degree, whoever intentionally causes.
That's subdivision 3, so that'd be subdivision 3rd degree.
No, it says criminal damage to property in the 4th degree. It just happens to be subdivision 3. It's just a misdemeanor charge, not a petty misdemeanor.
Well, you should look at my thing and then search on AI.
An AI? Oh my gosh, I don't think this thing has AI, does it? I mean, Google does, doesn't it? So, what is it? Tell me the number again.
Well, if you go on M9 courts,
How do you spell your last name?
yes, you don't need that. You just need to go 33-CR-26-43.
This is making me search by name, so I don't know where you can get to.
You just go down and you'll see case number.
Wow. Alright, what was the number?
Let's start with the citation, right?
What's that?
Let's start with the citation on 3-7-2026. Let me get started.
This doesn't seem to have anything that recent. Most recent has this.
So there's a 48-hour rule for the probable cause hearing, right? We'll be obviously violate that because it trumps probable cause 60 days later. But either way, you get the probable cause should be on. We just go on. Put down on that. And then put it in there. I think it's about it's a 48-hour rule. What time did you check me in there?
What's that?
What time did you check me in there?
I don't know, maybe
Should check that.
30 minutes ago or something.
Where are we on there? kick you in the head and I get charged with assault on a police officer, but your bitch ass can just pull me down when I get that. You're a fucking pussy. Fine. Let's go fight. Let's go fight MMA. Let's put $500 each. Chill over there, man, bitch. I know.
Huh?
What's it say?
What's what say?
Or just fucking ask me.
I didn't hear what you said.
Or you fucking not talking English.
That's not very polite.
You're a fucking piece of shit, so I don't know what this way. So, you know, my manual string license is a felony.
Yeah.
You're fucking not. You're fucking nursing. Should be holding me in handcuffs like this. I have a fucking double piece separated shoulder. My shoulder should not be any like this. You're gonna do it else and you go the fucking window.
You have to speak up a little bit. I can't hear you.
So you're a fucking nurse in here. My shoulder should not be behind me like this. I will have a 3AC separation.
You want a nurse for your shoulder?
Yes.
I can let them know. But I don't know if they're gonna do anything until they get your X-ray. What about the window?
I don't really give a fuck either way.
Alright.
I just recommend that you just use your fucking top off right now, which but my shoulder should not be behind my arm like this. I have a level 3 AC separation. I have 3 torn ligaments in my fucking shoulder. Should not be behind me like this. Yeah, I need a nurse, please.
Hello, did you need something?
Yes, ma'am, I already a level 8 separated shoulder. My shoulder should not be behind me.
I'll talk to the doctor about it, okay?
That's ridiculous.
I have to talk to
You
the
guys have a
doctor.
fiduciary duty to do what's in my best interest first and foremost.
I'll talk to the
So I
doctor.
recommend that you get somebody here to do it for you. Everybody can.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't worried about some of you guys anymore because of the 2.4 billion. That's my one.
No, maybe the jail will print it off for you.
So you just arrest me for one that you don't have?
I don't have to have the physical copy in my hand.
I'm pretty sure you might.
I don't.
So you just arrest people without a warrant?
Without a physical copy of a
That'd
warrant?
be a
Yeah.
warrantless arrest, wouldn't it?
No, you have a warrant, and I confirmed it with dispatch. So,
Well, can you show it to me at least online?
no. It's probably not even going to show up online. Our system
So
doesn't.
so how am I supposed to have the mens res to know what the fuck it is? You know, the actress
Because I'm telling you.
Actress reus mens res and approximate causation.
I'm telling you what it is.
Okay, but how would I know that before you came into my house? How would I know that I had a
You
warrant?
see the Weebles up top? That means stop.
Before I ever came to my house, how the fuck would I know what the fuck if I had a warrant or not?
Because I would have told you if you didn't run up the stairs. Well, I actually told you before you ran up the stairs.
Apparently you're fucking retarded. I said before you came into my house.
Mm-hmm.
How would I know whether I should turn myself in for a warrant or not?
I'm not. Well, it doesn't matter if you knew, you saw the Weebles. That means stop
No, I'm talking
and
about whether
you're
I
detained.
because maybe
it doesn't matter if you know why I'm stopping you. I'm stopping you. The Weebles.
So you can just stop people and you don't need to have a reason.
No, I
Because
have
you're
a reason.
police officer.
No, you have to have a reason. You just don't have to know the reason.
You have to have a.
Just because if I turn my Weebles on,
Okay, but
you don't have to know the reason to
you're
know that you have
you're
to stop.
Constitutional officer, correct? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then when you abridge by the Constitution or put your shit on it, then you don't have no power, right?
Yeah, you have to follow the Constitution.
Yes, you should.
Right. That's correct.
And when you don't, then you don't have any jurisdiction over what you're doing, correct?
Yeah, I'd concur.
Well, you don't have any jurisdiction jurisdiction because I'm not on probation. I have no final convictions. So 609.14 is for a person with final convictions that's been convicted and been sentenced. That's why it's called a revocation of stay. It's a stay of their sentence. Correct or incorrect?
I'm not arguing with you, man. I didn't write the warrant.
Well, what do you mean? Correct or incorrect? You have to have a stay of a conviction. Is a stay of a conviction. You have to be convicted to have a stay.
Stay of conviction or stay of revocation?
Well, stay of revocation goes with the final conviction.
Not necessarily.
Yeah, actually, yes, 100%. That's because you're revoking my stay of my conviction. So when you revoke my stay of my conviction, you have to convicted of this. So then I've been sentenced to this, and then at this my day stayed. So then the rest of it is just stayed.
Okay.
So then I'd be on probation for those things. But I've never even been have a probable cause, so I can't be.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. You're on probation. System says you are. You have a probation officer and everything.
Okay, but
Look safety.
I've never been convicted of anything, so how can I?
Well, then I don't know.
Do you have to be convicted of something to be on probation? Yes or no?
What you quizzing me? I'm
I'm asking you an honest question. Do you have to be
I'm
convicted?
not playing this game anymore.
Do you have? This is a pretty simple question that a cop should know. Do you have to be convicted of something to have?
I'm not answering your questions.
That's because you don't know the answer.
That's because you're trying to spin me into a.
No.
You're just trying to paint me to look like an idiot. I'm not playing the game.
No, this is a very simple question.
No, I'm not playing the game.
Do you have to?
I'm not playing the game, Tom.
Do you have to have a conviction to have a revocation?
You have to have a warrant for for me to arrest you, or a probable cause, and you got a warrant. So that's all that matters to me.
As long as your warrant's not fraudulently procured.
Well, that's not on me. That's on whoever fraudulently procured it.
Oh, it is on yours. I checked your own.
Oh, I'm working in good faith.
No, but you're not.
Doesn't matter if somewhere up the chain that
You're
got
actually
screwed up. It's not on
working in
me.
bad faith.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Well, these are the days.
You're going to hell. That's why your old lady left you, because you're a piece of shit.
Okay.
An absolute piece of shit. You shouldn't be allowed on your kid, because you're probably a piece of shit dad, dude.
Take that into consideration.
I mean, I'd imagine so.
Right. Oh, makes sense.
I'm not even I did see your child. I remember the best thing, but. So, I'll take that back.
Thank you.
So I'm not a piece of shit like you. I don't just go kill people.
I've never killed anybody.
I don't think I'm fucking He-Man.
I don't think I'm He-Man either.
Yeah, you just pulled me down the stairs for a probationary stay that doesn't exist. So,
You have a warrant.
how the fuck, what your bullshit? What thing says I don't have a warrant because I have.
Okay. Well, I have to follow.
I've never had a conviction. You can't have a warrant for a revocation
I don't know that.
stay when you don't have a stay to be revocated.
Okay. Well,
This seems like pretty common sense to me.
you're on probation.
No, I'm not.
However you got there, you're on there.
No, I'm not.
Well, you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
you're gonna have to argue that with the judge.
Will you shake my hand on a $10,000 bet then, huh?
No, I don't got that kind of money. You get the kind of money just floating around?
Yeah, I will.
Well,
Well,
I don't.
you're wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want the cuffs in the front?
Yeah, that'd be greatly appreciated.
Okay.
Pretty sure.
You never asked me though. You just started complaining. Like this goes a lot. If you just want to ask me, I'm willing to work with you on stuff.
Yeah, you're going to work me as you yanked me down 3 flights of stairs for
Well, it's because you weren't listening to me, were you?
because I wasn't listening.
Do you want the cuffs in the front? I can
I
move them
have to
for you.
listen to you when you're wrong.
Okay. Do you want the cuffs in the front or not? I'm just doing it. If you want them, I can move them. Otherwise, if you're not,
Yeah, that'd be ideal.
okay.
I mean,
You're not gonna get all frisky with me.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I would.
I don't know.
Offer to you in the first place. You offer to me.
Oh. One second here. I'll move this one first. Alright. First together there. Yep. I do feel for you, Tom. I really do. I feel bad for you, man, because it sucks. Nobody should have their kids taken away.
Well, I don't know.
I completely feel for you. It sucks.
Yeah, and the thing is they
Right.
took away my kids, and they wrote this administrative warrant, right? This is I'm not on the courthouse. Well, they wrote that the day that I was able to appeal the case. they stole my kids on a thing that they. Okay.
Government's good at screwing people over.
Well, here's
Right
the
there.
deal. Here's the deal.
Yeah.
If I can ask you for you to do one thing, honestly, as a friend or as a woman, I ask you to go look under the ICR. It's 2-6-2023. I basically go there. Tucker's being abused. Like, dude, it's plain as day. He's got big bruises and shit. So I go up there. I asked fucking John Claire Krugish. I asked him what should I do, you know? So I never talk to cops or whatever, you know. I go up there. He tells me to go up and talk to the CPS. I go up and I talk to a chick named Melissa McDermott. She's a CPS worker. She tells me go up to the fucking post immediately and file for an LP. That's exactly what I fucking did, dude. And then they granted me the LP and then they stole my car. It's been on ever since.
Yeah. That's a shitty deal.
I don't know, it's right. They filed 23 of them cases against me since then. I've never been in trouble in my entire life. But I don't have a history of being.
Yeah.
Did I have a history for it? No, I didn't.
Oh, that's my knowledge.
Break the law. Stole those my kids. They stole them. I mean, if you guys are starting to just sit back and not fight for your children, then I guess you guys are better on. I'll tell you.
No, yeah, I'd fight for my kid too. I get you.
Yeah, I'll probably want to.
I don't know if they have cups in here.
Anything about incompetent or whatever, but basically I've had 3 of them judges removed. Judge Brosnan obviously had to get forced into retirement. Judge Kristen Martin had to be forced into retirement. The Sheriff said he moved over to
Pine.
County, so
He's in Pine, I think, right?
yeah, so how am I that incompetent? They removed 3 judges.
I never said you were incompetent. You're a smart guy. I never said you were incompetent. So I don't know. Was it official that they ruled you incompetent, or was it just in the works and they were thinking about
it? It was on the 3rd judge I went to go file it. So under Rule 63.03, you can remove any judge. You can say his socks stink, you know, so to speak. Then you can basically remove a judge for whatever you want, you know. So then after that, after the first 10 days, then you can remove a judge for actual bias or prejudice. Well, I went to go remove a judge for actual bias or prejudice. He didn't like it, so then he basically he filed a thing and for an incompetency deal, had me go in there. He arrested me. Thing came back. He arrested me on 7-5-2024, and the warrant came back quash because it wasn't legal. Because it's like in order to commit somebody or whatever, it's under like 253-02-subdivision 17. It's like whether somebody's they meet the statutory prerequisites for a commitment procedure, which is whether they're a danger to themselves or society, you know. And then basically it didn't meet their prerequisites, so then they said that they issued out a thing to quash the warrant, but then they didn't release me. And then Judge Flanagan, he's just been D-grade ever since, really. And they won't give me they've never given me a public defender. They rejected all my public defenders in all my cases. It's like the case that you're arresting me on right now. I've never been given a public defender.
I thought you just try to fire your public defenders.
No.
We were at court the other day. Remember, we were at court the other day, and well, that was a while ago, but
No.
and you told your attorney you wanted him fired. Remember?
No, you can look it up under a case.
No, I was there, man. Remember, there was the attorney there for you, and he said you fired. I don't want you.
No, that's
Yeah, that happened. Remember?
No.
I'm not lying about that.
Okay, we'll look it up. So under case 33-CR-24-88, I guess it'd be index number 2. It's so basically she rejected my public defender in the case, and then in the other case she granted me a public defender. Well, they gave me the public defender of Luna Yang. Well, she went behind my back, and then so when I tried to challenge the probable cause and did it's called a Rasmussen hearing. That's what you challenge probable cause.
Okay.
It's just a fancy way to say a probable cause challenge.
Sure. Okay.
So basically, you challenge the probable cause, the Rasmussen hearing or whatever. And then basically, whenever I did that, she basically went behind my back. It's in the ROIs that I didn't want to challenge it, but the ROIs also said that basically the state just admits not having jurisdiction on my case at all. Like and so what they did was then after that they gave me misconduct
Okay.
as an advisory counsel, but an advisory counsel doesn't suffice your Sixth Amendment rights to effective counsel.
Okay.
Advisory counsel and effective counsel are like two different things.
Sure.
The advisory counsel is just there to advise you of things, and like, you know, the whole reason that you even have a defensive, I guess, your counsel is to defend your rights.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what completely doesn't. My case has been going for 46 months, where your speech trial rights are up for 60 days.
Gotcha. Yeah. It's a mess.
Yeah, it's an absolute mess.
Mm-hmm. Well, I hope someday that you get to see your kids again, dude. I'm not lying about that, and I hope that happens for you.
Yeah, you look into the last time when they tried to file that termination for rights or whatever, they tried to do it unilaterally, which is obviously illegal.
They did what?
They tried to do it unilaterally,
Okay.
so that's 100% illegal. You can't do it unilaterally because so under 260C.012 is that the county attorney's office has to provide reasonable efforts to make shooting trial.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not necessarily for the parents' sake, it's because it's such a detriment to pull a child that's used to parents.
Right.
Like, you should never do it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's just a terrible thing to do in general. When parents are not used to their children, even if the parents are bad, or like, even if they're not good parents, you really shouldn't pull them because it's just such a detriment.
You don't think so? What if they're real bad? Doing meth around them and stuff like that?
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying.
I think extreme cases like that,
I'm just saying what the law is. That's just what the law is. I'm not saying what I do.
Gotcha.
No, what the law is that what the law is, especially when they're at like where Adele was, she was 3 years old, you know, so it has a physical brain development delay.
Yeah, I believe it. Definitely not going to be easy on anybody.
So I guess when they pulled her ball, she just went absolutely nuts. She went on crazy, like I'm mad.
Oh, really? Behavioral issues and stuff. That's a shame.
Who knows what happened to Chuck? Chuck doesn't have a voice, you know, it's just me and his mom, but most her.
Sorry to hear that.
They issued the warrant out, bring me the kids. Like the OFP got granted expert day, you know.
Okay.
And it said that they're an immediate or whatever department, and I want to have whoever served it for them, they can do it, his ego or whatever. So then he said, no, I'm not gonna do it. He went up there, they had an expert day correspondence, and then they sent that to the judge that issued it. He reversed it, but the thing is first and foremost, it's a legal deal, so you mean the civil litigation, you know. So it's just me and Ellie, and then first of all, and then the county attorney's office, they stepped in. They did ex parte correspondence, so it's ex parte means just one sided or whatever. And then so they sent the ex parte correspondence to the deal. He fucking flipped it. So basically, once they grant OFP, once they grant the ex parte, in order to reverse it. I don't know if you're familiar with the Domestic Abuse Act, but so the Domestic Abuse Act is 518B.01 subdivision.
Okay.
So 518B.01 subdivision 7F says that you have to relate to subdivision 11, and that says that you need 4 prerequisites in order to overturn like a granted ex parte fucking OP or whatever, and that says that you need first of all, you need an application from the person. You need a notice to all parties within the one time limit, and then you need a hearing and you need an order, you know, after whatever people are put forward there. But the spirit, so, you know, the legislative intent or the spirit of the law or the scope is within the law.
For
every law.
For every law?
Yeah,
I don't know.
There's always like a scope, you know. It's almost, I mean, I guess you could see it as like a scope within the lens of a rifle.
Right.
But that's not really how I want to put it because I've never had a gun. I've never. The thing is, I don't believe in killing. I've never ever tried to kill anybody. I don't.
That's good.
I would be a vegetarian if I had to kill things to eat.
Oh yeah, probably.
But I love meat.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong.
Pain in the ass, isn't it?
I just don't believe in killing things. I just don't believe that I have the right to kill things or whatever. But that's beyond what we're even talking about.
Yeah.
But the matter of fact is so the reality is, so the scope or whatever, the legislative intent or the spirit of the law, I guess you would call it, is that the law always has to be so whenever anybody, like, petitioner is always the victim or whatever, and then the respondent is always the abuser. That's just how it is in the domestic abuse case.
Right.
Well, basically, she tried to file for one the day before I did.
Okay.
And basically, they denied hers. No, they didn't deny it, but they say that. So, I mean, you can probably look this up too, I guess. Under 33-CR, no, it could be 33-FA-23-11, and it'd be the final dismissal order. It would be that I never ever tried to intimidate her in any way, shape, or form, you know. And then finally, whenever we were in our custody thing, she finally admitted, like, if I was gonna hit a girl, like, I'd expect you to call me guilty, dude, because people that hit girls are pieces of shit. We both know that. Obviously, I don't know if you were a doctor or whatever. Dad used to say my mom wasn't good, wasn't cool.
I guess I don't know. But...
Yeah, well, that's what was our reality, and yeah. Just can't believe it. So, if I ever hit a girl, I'd expect you to drag on. She'd be, I would gladly accept that. But just not my style. I guess so. Basically, yeah, I just don't like it. That's all. They've filed 22 different cases against me since.
Right. And it's all kind of revolving around the same issue because you're fighting for kids.
What happened was I was fighting for the kids. Eventually, I tried to recuse Helios multiple times. Then the day that I could finally file for the appeal of my daughter's custody case was the day they came out with that administrative order that says I'm not allowed to go to the courthouse, which is obviously a violation of my First Amendment rights. You can't kick somebody out of the courthouse. Everybody has that right to access to the courthouse. Like, that's just completely illegal. You can't be kicked out of the courthouse unless you're convicted of a crime, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's what all these charges. I guess would depend upon. They'd say I'm an unwanted person in the courthouse. That's well, I guess at its purest, it's straight Nazi shit. It's fucking an unwanted person in the courthouse it's Nazi. Yeah. Who am I unwanted from? You know.
Right.
What did I do? So to speak.
Yeah. Did that order get quashed?
No, that's all.
That's still.
Right now.
No, this is for terroristic threats.
Yes, because I went to the.
Oh, so this happened when you went to the courthouse?
No, I got arrested. I went to the courthouse. I got arrested or whatever, and then while I was sitting in there, they tried to file another ORP on me. That one got dismissed.
Okay.
And then they said that. So basically, I went to the Kanabec County, whatever, and I said, "You guys don't get it. She's gonna kill them if you guys don't fucking do something, you know." And then I said, well, I'm gonna blow this shit up in the news. And basically they took that, they said verbatim statements, but then they changed them, so to speak, and they said that I said that I was gonna blow up the courthouse.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Kinda, so to speak. But they, first and foremost, you have to have first of all, you have to have so I don't know if do you know what corpus delictus is?
No.
So corpus delictus is
No.
what you actually have to commit a crime. Do you know? So there's 5 elements to commit a crime. You have to have actus reus, mens reus, proximate causation within each other, and then you have to have a victim and then harm. That's what corpus delictus means.
Okay.
So actus reus just means you're in the act of committing a crime. You know it's a crime. If you don't stop me, then it would be a crime, and I know what I'm doing is crime. Mens reus means that you have the mentality to say that. Like I know that it's a crime, what I'm doing, my actions are a crime, and like, you know, whatever. And then the proximate causation is those two, so my activity and my mental state within each other, what I'm doing would be a criminal act, which would create harm to a victim. And that would be it. I guess that's me.
You're well versed.
Just reality.
But you're saying that they didn't have which aspect for you? Which aspect was it?
Oh, they don't have any of it.
Oh, they didn't?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
They just keep in mind with it. They've never actually let me have a Rasmussen hearing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so you know what like preliminary hearings are.
Mm-hmm.
So you have your 6th Amendment right covers preliminary hearings. You know, so you have the right to challenge. Well, I mean, I guess you're on hold your phone again. So under Rule 20, the competency.
I believe you.
So Rule 20, subdivision 1, Rule 20.01, subdivision 3B states that you have to find You have to find probable cause prior to the Rule 20 examination, and then then what they did last time when they held me in jail for 22 days was illegal because they said that they basically held me in jail to force me to do a Rule 20 competency examination.
Before they had probable cause for it, you're saying?
Well, yeah, you know, you always have to have probable cause
Right.
to move forward with any kind of charge, you know. So yeah, so the statute basically says that you have to have probable cause in order to move forward with the statute or whatever, but then, yeah, I just, I'm gone forever, I guess.
I know you can. You're very smart. You got all this shit memorized. Very impressive. You probably have a photographic memory or something, huh?
No, it's just I stole my child.
Yeah, so the motivation.
They think they're really good, right? They're fucking lost the goddamn minds.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah, I feel for you, dude. I wish this mess didn't happen.
But you can't do it because you participate in such
Well,
such an extent.
I'm a cog in a machine. You know how it is.
Well, yeah, anybody can say, oh, yeah, I'm just hired by these people, but you chose to be hired by these people, so
Yeah, gotta do something.
it is what it is.
Gotta do something. So, it is what it is. Once that lady comes back, let's see if she can get you some water. They're dealing with someone that's being a problem right now, apparently. Hello. Could that bother you if he's thirsty? Could we get a cup of water?
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Hello.
All right. Are you willing to get into a gown for an x-ray?
Is it necessary?
Huh?
Is it 100% necessary?
Well, the imaging tech would like you to be in a gown for an x-ray.
Or was it mandatory?
At least just for, so you don't have, I mean, all you need is your pants down. You can keep your underwear on, just the pants.
Well, why can't you take an x-ray for that?
That's just the imaging preference.
Is it preference or is it necessary?
Well, it's the way that they prefer it to be.
No, if you can't take it through my pants, then I guess, then you can write me a note that says I can.
Okay. I will tell them that you won't get into a gown. They can come do it the way.
Drag me up water.
Yep, she's coming. She's bringing it.
She's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Do you need anything else?
Yeah. Probably like 3. Out there. So what's your next step? What's your next legal step then to try to get the kids? Are you going for both kids, or are you going for the one? You don't have to answer if you don't want. I'm just kidding.
The reality is it doesn't really matter what I try to do because it's so corrupt that basically, so last time I tried to file for just to see my child, they basically tried to do a termination of parental rights case. Well, they tried to unilaterally do it, but they paid, so they took taxpayer money, so your money.
Mm-hmm. We all pay that shit. Right?
Well, I haven't really paid taxes now, so it's more your money than mine.
Okay.
Let's be honest. And they paid an entire law firm. It's called Spears Family Law, probably $100,000 to try to terminate my rights, but they omitted a lot of things within the statute. So like within the statute, you have to say, that they tried to. So like, they basically just omitted the part that the reasonable efforts or whatever, you know. Well, then she tried to run it through the deal with a judge that was the old prosecuting attorney. She used to be the assistant prosecuting attorney.
Which judge is that?
Judge Heather Wynn. She was.
Oh, yep.
Well, basically, so.
Hello.
I'm Jess. I'm from imaging. So the only way to do some of the x-rays of your hips and your knees is we gotta have you change out of your pants or pull them down.
I guess.
Okay. So do you want a gown or?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sounds good. Alright. So you can keep your shirt on, so just the jeans. Do you want me to just leave this in here?
Actually, just my knee done. Do I need to do it if I just get my knee done?
Yes.
Actually, she doesn't make your fabric or
It does, but it leaves an artifact. Okay. These. Okay. And I'll just come back once it's
Anyway,
all
I
set.
can get a written statement that says that.
About the
Just a sign.
changing them
Yeah,
down.
yeah, please.
Okay, I will go see, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I can step out while you change. Do you want the cuffs off momentarily while you're doing that? Okay. Yep. Yeah. This is more of a sheet, I think. I think that might be all they have. So what you would do then is you would put it on. You would just take off the jeans, put that on over everything.
Just tell them I just want a written thing that says they can't do it with her.
Okay, so you're not gonna change into it.
Yeah, I want a written signed thing by a doctor saying that they can't scan my leg without a thing.
Okay. Excuse me. Psst. Can I bother you for a second? He's changed his mind. He doesn't want to put the gown on, and he just wants a. I don't know if you do this right. He just wants a written statement saying.
He needs to
Yeah. I understand. He's not willing to do that, and
Is he under arrest?
yes,
Then he needs to be in a gown. I mean.
right. It's up. Can you talk to him briefly, or?
Yeah, absolutely.
They gave me like a top gown. I don't know what that is.
Huh?
That one's not the proper gown. I don't believe. It's a top.
You'd put this on and cover underneath as well.
You want scrubs instead? We can get you scrub
I can get.
pants.
Yep, we can get you scrub pants instead.
Yeah,
Would
either
you rather have
either
that?
that or else if you guys can give me a written thing that says that you can't give me a knee x-ray without a gown, I guess, then I'll just go back to jail without one, I guess, with a broken knee, and then I'll just be at the hospital and then it's up to you guys.
I will be happy to give you an X-ray, but I need you in a gown or scrub pants.
Oh yeah, scrub pants.
Scrub pants, you got it. Would you say what size?
34 would be
You got it. So about a large.
Thank you, guys.
You bet.
Trent? How's things going over there?
Huh?
How's things going over there?
He didn't want his blood drawn.
You woke up though.
Yeah, really quick.
It's interesting.
Yeah, I think he was drinking all night long and never slept.
I would imagine. But interesting. Could you give me a cup of water, guy?
Sure.
Do you need
Tommy,
more water?
Need a cup of water?
He's still good. He's got one already. Appreciate it. Off you go.
Yep.
We'll see you later.
I didn't realize you were still over here.
Yeah.
You called everybody else over too.
Yeah. I didn't even know something was going on. Thank you, Trip.
He's bleeding belligerent when I walked in there to draw, so.
Yeah, I didn't. He was unconscious earlier. We brought him in here. Well.
I will let you guys change into these.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good to go? I'll have to throw the cuffs back on the front. We're ready whenever you are.
Okay.
Oh, you bring it with?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. All right. Fancy. I guess.
Is it okay if I dim the lights a little bit for the x-rays? You're gonna look at your shoulder first. Or do you just want the knee done? Okay. There's hips, knee, ankle, and shoulder. Do you want all of those?
Yeah, actually, I can know what my algorithm in my heart too. Actually, I have a left ventricle,
Okay.
so there's an abnormality in my left ventricle in my heart.
Okay.
And there's also no Parkinson's in my heart, so I have two
Okay.
And then I have AC, level 3 AC circulation in my shoulder, and then more brain.
Okay.
So I'd actually like all those to be checked out.
Yeah, we can do that for
Be
sure.
confirmed.
And is it the left shoulder?
No, I have the right shoulder.
Prefer?
That sounds a lot similar.
I think it was ordered as left, so I gotta go change that. So I'll be back.
All right. Sorry about that.
No, you're good. You want this left open or closed?
I'll be right here. It's fine. What's that?
He'll assault me if I try to leave.
Talking about me? Well, you can't leave, yeah. I'll stop you. Alright. Well, that sounds like you got a solid case.
There you go.
Well, gotta do the X-ray, and then they gotta read the X-ray, and then they gotta get his heart looked at, and so I don't know.
Well, we will see you later.
What? Yeah, I was gonna go if you wanted to stay here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you serious?
Go ahead.
I was joking, but
Do you need to do something?
nah.
Oh, fuck you.
Well, he wants. We got these. We gotta get his scans done, and then she gotta read it, and then he wants his heart looked at. So it might be a little while. I don't know. I'm fine.
How long is it gonna be?
Well, you gotta read the scans, don't you? I don't know how it works, but
No, the rads do that. I just
the
take
rads. Well, someone reads.
radiologist.
Probably right around 8. Might have been a little earlier than 8. I'm not sure. No, I'm fine. I was just joking. I was joshing you. Okay, appreciate it.
You said the right shoulder you wanted to go? I'm just gonna sit up the head of the bed here. I might have to scoot down just a little bit just because probably it's like this.
Hello.
Hey Tom. Hi, I'm Dr. Calimel, one of the ER doctors. Which shoulder is hurting? Is it the right or left?
So this one is a level 3 AC separation.
Right side.
Yeah, I'll just shake it off.
And
Hey,
the
how you
left
doing?
is left.
You seem tense. Relax.
I'm trying to go to bed.
Your shoulders always up there?
Sometimes.
Man, you need to relax a little bit.
I don't relax well.
I don't. On your strong suits.
I don't have one of those relaxing letters.
Oh man, yeah, me neither.
Okay. Okay.
Do what you can, right?
Yeah, I guess.
This is more behind that right shoulder, so I'm going to go over behind.
Woke up, huh?
Yeah. Kind of. Not for long.
Is that how ketamine works? It's just kind of in and out?
It depends. There's stages. So there's like the initial that's hitting you. Usually should be out cold. And now if you give them too much, you'll go past the out cold and they'll wake up and be riding what we kind of refer to as the hole or the K train.
Oh, so it almost makes them worse.
You can. You can, yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's it.
It's a coin toss, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
It's good stuff when it works.
Right.
And I think it's a very underutilized drug because so much people are scared because they don't understand how to use it. Oh, yeah. But when you guys are fighting with someone, put them in cuffs. Kind of going to work faster than most things.
Oh yeah, that worked as fast as I've ever seen anything.
That's the fastest I've seen it work.
Really?
I was still expecting to stay some stretcher, so expecting.
No, 100%. Yeah, that's a very.
I started carrying a lot of things around.
Okay.
You pull a guy out of a, I don't know, you call them sex cells, whatever you have in jail.
Sally, or yeah, one of the pre-booking rooms, but
yeah, we had to pull it out of there anytime ketamine him, and it probably took 90 seconds and he was snoring.
no way, huh?
Yeah, we had like 300 pounds.
Remember who that was?
No, years ago. Year ago. From up north.
I almost turned around.
Where did it all come
Hey, buddy. I pull up and I see 4 freaking squad cars sitting outside. Nope.
Yeah. This larger guy was? Or this guy?
What's that? Didn't take care of
This guy too, though.
Oh yeah, they always do that. Covered in Cooper, like running stuff on the wall with food.
Picasso.
I do.
Again. Oh, you forgot yours too?
What is up with our EMPs for getting the badges? Yep. What's the next badge? Come on.
Glad you had it.
I'm gonna go home and sleep. This isn't worth. What? This isn't worth overtime. This is straight my brother.
Is he saying fuck Trump still?
Yeah. No, I don't know if it's Trump or fuck you.
It's a little bit both, probably. He definitely does not like Trump.
No, he does not.
Make that clear. What's that?
The Lexus gun yet.
Yeah. It's interesting. Moral quandary. Everyone looks just wiped.
What?
You guys, most two at least. You're hyped up. But okay, that explains it. Yeah.
He's one of those weird 99-day shifters.
Yeah.
Right? No. I still get paid more nights, something nice.
Plus, then at least you get some daylight hours, like 99's.
Well, not when you're on for 7 days in a row.
Oh, I forget you guys do that.
No, I did it to myself. I usually 3 on, 1 off, 3 on, 7 off.
Mm-hmm.
But then I picked up 2, 1 at the beginning, 1 in the middle. Some idiot. Yeah. And I was like,
That's rough. Do you have kids at home or anything?
Nope.
Okay, you can still do it then. Yeah. Rack that up. It's hard. We got the other side. We're down a guy, so we're having to fill a lot of mandatory overtime. That sucks. It was fine when I was without a kid, but now that I got a kid, it's I'm just missing out on time with him. At least I work nice, so I can spend most of the day with him.
Right.
I just miss out on like 3 hours.
I cut back about 20 hours.
Yeah. Just pounded through it. Hmm.
I mean, I still remember the days of mine when I was working 24 days a month. No good reason. Yeah.
Oh, sick.
I'm well rested now. Ready for the floor. Much better.
You guys both have Reapers? Yeah.
Though ironically, if you look at this one, does it look like a state that you're familiar with?
Okay. Wow. Which one? Which?
Is it that way?
Okay, that way.
That way.
Well. Yeah, that looks like the base of it, kind of. You know what? Maybe it is this way.
That looks like a Minnesota that way. There you go.
Yeah. You know, it does. A little bit.
I mean, I can't really look at it, so.
It's not very hopeful. You guys are showing up to save people and you got the Reapers on your own.
You got the what you fight for, what you fight against.
Oh, okay. So, yeah.
What's the old quote? All the gods, all the heavens, all the hells are within you.
Oh, I read that. Sounds cool.
I'm just saying.
Yeah. Couples today.
Are you able to back that up a little bit?
Yeah. Do I just pull it?
Yeah, press and
Oh. How do I turn it? Oh, okay.
Just like that.
Oh, wow.
That's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm not qualified.
Oh no, I really
Yeah. And then does someone come in to talk to him about his heart, or how does that work? Do we have to do something for that?
Yeah, the doctor will.
Okay.
If he's concerned about that.
Okay. You want to talk to a doctor about your heart, right? Okay. Sweet. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
because, you know, well.
Yeah. ER never loves to see us. The ER doesn't like to see us.
No.
It's never a welcoming smile. It's always, oh, you're here. That hurts my
makes
feelings.
me feel great. That's the look I get when I bring patients in, too.
Oh, it's just not fair. We're doing our best, right?
It's only allowing so much leeway. People saying they have XYZ problem.
Correct. Yep. I'm bound by that.
And then you got the jails side of it too. So.
Yep. If I had made it there first, then it would have been their problem, maybe. Maybe.
Maybe you just should stop trying to fight people upstairs.
I don't know what to
You guys got like a huge conglomerate to box Trent out of doing anything?
Yeah, he's always out of it. It's the big dog thing. He's gotta get in there more. Yeah, that is a trend, isn't it? Yeah.
That's what I was told. At least that's what I was told. Before they can type off an answer, that makes me go, so
What'd you do? Oh, you did? For what position? For the really? Oh, that'd be sick. Hell yeah. When did you get this? You done with the school and everything?
I've been done since July.
And you're just kind of chilling, huh?
Well,
oh, dude, that's perfect timing, actually.
Yeah, it's.
That'd be sick. I'd be your FTO. One of them.
I'd be
go. Because didn't you just have an open up?
Yep. Can't disclose too much about it.
I know you can't, but like I know it happened.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, no. I was looking. It's October 29th. I was looking for a cop job.
Oh, really?
February.
Where are you from?
Where I'm living right now, or originally from?
Yeah, where are you living now?
Right now I'm in St. Croix Falls.
How far is that?
About an hour.
Oh, is it?
But.
Is that where your family is and everything, or no?
Just a cheap house that wasn't in Minneapolis.
Right. That's fair.
Wife did get a little bit eventually, but actually, that's what cross for the day.
Right. It'd be nice to have a deputy that's good with the medical side of things.
I mean, you don't want to go to everything?
Well, I just don't know what the hell I'm doing. I can stop major bleeding.
If you had a deputy medic, you'd have to have like a SWAT medic type thing.
Yeah, well, there we go. I think the other.
John's doing it already. Not to like sign you up for something.
Who's the other ex-military guy that? Yeah, ruggedly handsome dude. Him. I think Adam was going to talk to him about working with SWAT or something for that. What's that?
I'm such a detriment to society, you should probably post it.
That's okay.
I'm a detriment to society, you know.
I didn't say that.
That's why you just yanked me on a fire stairs.
No, it's because you had a warrant.
No.
I would say nay. You could have a warrant for all kinds of things. You could have a warrant for driving without a license.
So you're just going to just pull people out of society and put them on fire stairs.
When they have warrants.
Okay. Much physical use.
All right.
You going back? Eventually. Then we can stop hotboxing people.
Yeah.
Well, not usually. No.
Trying to remember if they added it or not.
Well, that's a good question. Maybe I'll check. It just says.
Shooting theater and Kanabec.
Oh, Kristen, I would love to take a 5-minute gander off the floor right now, so.
Alright, let me know.
Will do. Need anything? Water, coffee?
Might take some coffee if you able. Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah. Oh, it's even fresh.
Oh, it's always burnt here. It's good. Are you feeling anything with your heart right now, or you just want it checked out in general?
I just hang me on the flight of stairs.
And that,
It's a prerequisite to yank me off flight of stairs.
it's a prerequisite. What do you mean? Oh, thanks, boss.
Yeah, so you got things that are wrong, like conditional, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
You better pray that I'm really on probation. I was getting that fucked up.
No, we're not arguing about that anymore. It's not up to me. It's you got a warrant.
You have a statutory duty to make sure everyone's correct.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I did that. Confirmed it through dispatch.
I did because I'm not on probation.
Ah, gotcha.
I have 0 criminal record, so it's literally impossible for me to get probation.
Well, then you have a good case, Temo. That's all I can tell you. Well, it's fine. We'll do something else then. Perfect. Yeah. It's all good in the hood. Mm-hmm. The chips fall as they may. Mm-hmm.
Turns out you can't manually strangle people with both hands either.
What's that?
Turns out you can't manually strangle people with both hands either. No matter what they do.
Difference between can and should, right? Technically, anyone can, yeah. Not legally.
You did.
Mm. Gotcha.
Or did you not?
Did I manually strangle you? No.
I never sent you.
Okay, well, that's if you think you have a case, then good for you. It is what it is.
So who violated our operation notice?
Yeah. Do you don't have ongoing chats with him, or you don't keep in communication with him?
I'm not on probation.
Well, that's why I'm asking. You don't communicate with him at all?
No, because I'm not on probation.
Okay. Well,
You have to have a final conviction on probation.
gotcha. Yeah.
Let me talk with her really quick, because I think there's some
I mean, you're gonna have to dress out anyways at the jail, so might as well just keep them on. Slip your shoes on if you want.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
I concur. I actually want to steal their shit.
What's that?
I still want to steal their shit. I'm not criminal.
Oh, I think it's only a one-time use. Anyways, isn't it? Maybe they
You're probably right.
maybe they wash them, but if they're hospital money, they probably just fucking toss it anyways.
Which is $2.4 billion. Actually.
That's what this is worth?
Yeah, they're actually owned by Carl something or another.
Really?
Yeah, so that's why we're suing them for $875 million.
Just well, I wish you luck on that. That'd do. You'd get some really good lawyers with that. Yeah. All right. I'm trying to be cordial.
I'm just talking to you.
Okay.
Factual.
I gotcha.
So you don't concur.
Yeah. So you're not. Yeah. Gotcha. What's that?
You don't know a judge issued the warrant?
Which judge? No.
Just know that there was a warrant, you don't know a judge.
I know there's a warrant signed by a judge, confirmed through dispatch. That's all I need to know. I don't need to know.
Can you contact dispatch and confirm who issued it?
That's all right. They can do it at the. They can print out the warrant for you at the jail if you want. We'll do that. Usually the jail will do that for you. I'll tell you everything you need.
So there you go.
It's only a couple days old. 2 or 3. Yeah. What's that?
So I'd probably imagine I violated some punitive, unconstitutional probationary conditions.
Well, if you're saying that you're unconstitutionally on probation, I guess. Yeah.
I mean, they're all punitive, like, my bail is for.
That's for what?
My bail is a appearance bond.
Okay.
So that's not probation.
Alright.
You pay your bail that much, so that way you're saying you're gonna appear, jail arrest. So anything like any other stipulations, that would be like, taking UAs or whatever, punitive.
Okay.
Because so in order for them to have a probationary thing where they'd have to give me UAs and stuff, they'd have to have a drug nexus within the crime. So the crime they're committing would have a drug nexus.
Right. That makes sense.
Which is my anyway.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Whatever kind of state they kind of claim that I'm a punitive,
Gotcha.
That's not exactly what it's saying. I recommend the county probably start teaching you guys the indifference because the ones are going to be seeing from one off. Sad that you guys don't throw away tax dollars like that.
They love doing that.
I'm sure you do.
Government loves throwing away tax money. I'm just a pawn in the government, man. Just a pawn. Huh?
But you're the pawn that's doing all the wrong things.
Okay. Well. Want to disagree? That's fine. We can disagree. What's that?
We'll let the federal courts decide that.
You just talking.
We'll let the federal courts decide that.
Perfect. Yeah, they love doing that, so let them.
Stay a fucking whatever to the county attorney's office. For the last word they guess with it, so.
Okay. What's that?
So I hope you've been studying, you're gonna read it.
Hope I'm.
I hope you've been studying, you're going to read it.
Oh, gotcha. Been here for 2 hours. That's longer than I thought.
Hang on. Well, I mean, he needs something, but he's doing everything else. Yeah. I'll figure that out.
No.
My husband was heading to an auction here in Mora somewhere. So this morning, he was heading to it when I was going to it. At 7:52, he said, this leaving the auction, we want me to bring it. He was there all day. I didn't even see this till 8:40. He blew up. So, that probably was all of it. Yeah, probably all of it. But yes, sure, all of those different birds, yes. So I don't know what I'm going home to. You just never know who it is. But the fact that he was offering to bring me something, and I missed out on it. But the fact, okay, first of all, baby steps that he has never once in his life offered. Because one time I said, you drive by here with all these different things that you never.
Have a good night, man.
My 2-year-old was not. But I didn't know you were allowed to have this kid. I said, you can stop in it. These are that. Or to help others. what, it doesn't matter what he bought, we won't have it on anyways. Oh, yes. Yeah, he flips things. Like, he could literally retire and probably make more. Yeah. The problem is our insurance. Yeah, I could. I will send you a picture of that if it happens. Yes. Yes. For an insurance down here, I don't know, I don't it's for what, the yellow one? Yellow and blue, right? Yeah, not all state, no. Yes, Liberty, is it? It is, it's another. Is it? It's like yellow and blue card.
Progressive.
Isn't it? No, it's not progressive.
Obviously, there's ended up very good job advertising.
Here, this is the actual, it's like that. Liberty, what is Liberty Mutual? What? Oh, yeah. My husband was gonna go last week or last month and did. My old age, I forgot to thank it.
Kristen has not yet.
She. Why does it matter?
I got offered the option to ride ratios for 6, so I respectfully declined that. So, but I wasn't told I was going to get sued.
Oh, that's good. That was Kristen.
Good. How are you? Nah.
Let me know.
Appreciate it.
He wouldn't even take water. I mean, he asked for it, so there's no way he's taking anything oral from me. So. He does. We do not have ID listing until. The patient in a temporary hypertensive state is not. Yeah, it's disease normal. The patient is temporarily hypertensive. Patient is normal. Does not, will have worse outcomes when we provide short-term IV relief. I know these things. That's why I don't have to come in. Yeah, this is what I heard. Huh? Sure. Which is great for veteran dispenser. Try to work my magic.
Good. Sounds good, thank you.
Staying busy. What's that?
Tell you what my purge condition is.
Did who tell me what a purge condition is?
Purge condition, your condition to get out. Did they tell you at all what it is?
Who?
Whoever told you to arrest me, yes, apparently. Your purge condition, that's usually how you get out.
What about it?
They tell you what it is.
Who? Who's they?
Fuck.
You're only asking pretty vague questions.
Authority, you fucking retard.
Yeah, I'm not gonna answer questions when you're being rude.
Fucking any common sense at all.
Oh, okay, sounds good. Go back to my doorway here. I'm still here.
So just for clarification, when I go to sue an intentional tort about false imprisonment, I
Mhm.
100% am not able to do that.
Correct. Unless you want to go to the jail. Okay. It's either here or the jail. Once we're done here, we're going to the jail. Those are the only two places. You would be correct. What's that?
Under fake probationary violation,
A warrant signed by a judge.
you didn't have jurisdiction.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna go see if that can come off yet, okay? What we got? Surviving?
What's that?
Surviving?
Yeah, I like this chair. It's got wheels.
You should tell your cohort. 313
313 what?
for 6.
Okay, he's gonna know what that means? Oh, I see.
Uh-huh.
I understand.
They were wondering how bad it was.
That's pretty high.
I'll go right on up again.
We have higher.
Oh yeah. That's now with ketamine too. How does that how does that react with alcohol? Just fine. They get along.
Yeah.
Good.
They get along just fine. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but in our setting, they were just fine.
Perfect. What's up? Yep. So you already put in your application, or you? Oh, you did.
So, I can't remember her name off the top of my head.
Robin?
Robin. She had called me Friday morning at 11.
Okay.
I had gotten home at 10 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
So I was out cold.
Yeah.
So I called her back when I woke up at 4, but I'm assuming she was gone.
Yeah.
So I'm just waiting for her to get back to me by hopefully Monday.
And now they'll realize that when
She was trying to set up an appointment for 14th.
Interview?
Yeah.
Schedule? Nice.
it is not a lot.
Did you? Yeah, I was gonna say you could use me as a reference if you need to, but before we turn it in.
Yeah, I didn't throw any of you guys down. It's just everyone else that I've known or other
Yeah.
cops that I've known over the years. So you got a buddy of mine down at Hastings. That's one of their main investigators right now.
Mm-hmm.
Buddy of mine down at Mountain Lake and McKenna. He's on there. Other people have known me for many years as the character references.
Hell yeah. That's good. That'll help.
Makes you sit at least 3 hours now. 3? I don't know. That's my unprofessional opinion.
What the hell? No. I'd expect to be any other patient here today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or entertainment. I think I would actually prefer it.
6'1". One after the other. Do you need anything while you're waiting yet?
I think someone else in Brown is going to come here for a moment. Maybe switch out, at least so I can use the bathroom. And yeah. Hopefully we'll be out of here within another half hour. I hope. Maybe.
Yeah.
We can hope, right?
Hopes and dreams.
Mm-hmm. Gets us by.
Next would be...
Otherwise, the only reason I haven't gotten a copy of recently yet is my last job, my super. He told background in Washington County I have history of poor decision making.
Oh, really?
My leaving the line was not by choice, so.
Oh, I guess, yeah.
I
Little
like
rebel.
doing the right thing, and when there's a problem, I like to address it.
Oh, I see.
And big
That's
corporate
smart.
does not like that.
No, corporate doesn't. Well, that's good of you. That's good of you to follow what's right rather than corporate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully, yeah, that should. If you explain that, you should be golden.
Yeah, I mean it sucks, but the only way through it is being honest about it.
Oh yeah.
You start lying.
Yeah,
about
you
it,
can.
That's when you're done.
Yep. As long as you're honest, admin's super easy to work with. Super easy. Not micromanaging at all, and it's just good. It's a good place to work, honestly.
Which is what I want.
Mm-hmm.
As long as they want you to be active.
Yeah.
Doing something.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I care about.
Yep. They just have kind of a expectation of us to earn our keep, but they're not breathing down our necks.
As long as you're out there, not just sitting in the office.
Right. Yep.
So
Pretty
in
easy.
neighboring counties that doesn't do that.
Yeah.
That's a different story.
Mm-hmm.
Later. Later.
Yes.
I know it's on this triangle somehow somewhere.
Would you still work here part-time if you got it? Yeah.
So if you're casual, then I can at least keep my backup.
Yeah, that's smart.
And then technically I'd be getting paid more here anyways. I don't remember your pay scale properly.
Oh, really?
I think you guys talk about what, 39 or 40?
Yeah, I'm at like 39 now with.
I'm at 37 right now.
Oh, yeah.
And that's without a shift differential.
Okay. Oh, yeah. The shift differential, I'm over 40. I think that's not even the top end. I think.
Yeah, we'll pull about 61 on overtime. That should be alright. So, in some ways, I can make more here.
Mm-hmm.
I stay casual, then that just requires 3 shifts, 8 months here.
Oh, sure. For casual, that's kind of a lot.
Can be. But at the same time,
Yeah. Well, it's just taking a day out of your month, 3 days out of your month.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of. But it's good because like our dispatchers, a lot of times they're so casual they don't work for months and months and months, and then they come in and it's like.
That's why most companies like this do it this way.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have that issue. You'll be rusty, but you won't go. I don't have a password for
Right.
the system.
Everything's expired. They don't remember any of it.
Hey, what's the? I know they were trying to put in red flag laws eventually.
Red flag laws?
Yeah. Have they
Thought
put
they
it
were.
installed yet? Or no.
I think they are.
Okay.
For sure.
I know they were still talking about it when I was going through.
Yeah, I thought that all passed. We haven't like mostly comes into play like today where we're already there with the gun that but like I haven't been involved in one where we go to an address and try to physically remove all the weapons. Like that would be a nightmare.
Yes.
Nobody wants their guns taken. Yeah. So.
This seems rather ambushy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's crazy how that worked out.
You know, honestly, I'm glad it worked out the way it did.
Because now.
Because if you guys would have gotten there 1st, what would you have done?
Maybe be more motivated. I don't know.
Either more motivated or actually did it.
Well, I don't know if he would. I think he would get us to the point where we have to do it.
Or that.
I don't know if he. It's hard to say. I'm not in the mind of the guy, but yeah, who knows? Either way, not good.
No. Not the outcome any of us really want.
No.
When it comes in terms of your guys' duty weapons, I've seen a hodgepodge.
Yeah, you can run whatever you want, any caliber. I mean, within reason. If you're a SWAT, douchebag like sergeant, you're gonna have a staccato that's like $6,000.
I mean, you're talking about it's on 3 of them over the years. So
Really? God, yeah, I just can't afford it.
And C2, I got the C2, gave it to my buddy down Mountain Lake because he runs a P for his duty.
Oh, okay.
And he wanted something similar for his off duty.
Nice.
And then I have a HD P4 now.
And that's all staccato?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, is that the newest one? Because that's what.
Above him is the P4.5.
Well, he's got whatever he's got. You can use the Glock mags, which is that's. If I was gonna get a staccato, it'd be that one because that makes so much more
If you ever
sense.
want to play around with it,
Okay.
I've got one. The only thing I have against them is their sights are more the tactical style sight-in. So it's instead of you being thinking like your Glock sights, for example, it's gonna be more you're gonna be shooting low if you're trying to use it with a Glock sights.
Okay.
So it's just sighted in further out.
Oh, I see.
So you really want a red dot if you do that.
Yeah.
But there's nothing wrong with a Glock. It works.
It works all the time. I can just throw it in the puddle, kick it around. That's why I like it. Simple.
Right.
And it's like $600.
Factory to get your barrel work.
Yeah.
You just go to Walmart and get a new one.
Pretty decent. 10-4, thank you. Yeah. I need it. I need it. Just need to use the bathroom, and then I'll be good with it. But.
Oh, wait, keep again, his call.
At least there's plenty of them around.
Deputies today? Oh.
Well, and deputies, but
Today we're well stocked. It's a big county though, if you think about it. If shit really hit the fan, there's shit popping off everywhere.
it wouldn't be good.
No,
There's
we're
no
not built.
city cops around here.
Dude, I know.
I mean, technically there's a city station deputy, but it's not a whole police department.
About Washco and Anoka, technically. Because I wanted to do Washco. Because right next to the house, basically.
Makes sense.
And the chief for their the deputies saw that. The sheriff's a good dude. All their recruitments are pretty solid.
Yeah.
Policies are pretty good.
Well, that's what you want. Yeah, that's the stuff you
But
look
then
for.
they're contract based.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're all contract.
And well, how long is the contract?
I mean, so they do all the cities down in Washington.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, okay, I get what you're
They're
saying.
just all contract cars.
That's that's got to be a big freaking agency then.
I mean, Anoka does it the same way too.
Do they? Is that a trend, I wonder, or if is that just how it's always
think
been
it's
there?
kind of a metro thing for the most part.
Okay.
I don't like it. I mean, Anoka still has what they call their 600 car, their roamer. But he only does certain things certain hours a day.
Okay.
Versus
Yeah, it might be easier just so we're not getting into the weeds of whose call is it and fighting over stuff like that. What's that? Press the button if you want to. The red button. Okay.
Yeah, it would be easier for that. I mean, don't have to keep it going. Find out who wants to call it. Their call. I'm really persuaded if I'm not doing anything.
Yeah.
Let's go. Race it.
And most of us spend all our time in the city anyways. I used to venture out a bunch, but I like to be close to
Where's most of it happening?
right here. Right here. At night you can venture out more because there's nothing going on. But then you're 10 minutes away from snacks.
Or bathrooms.
Or bathrooms.
Safe bathroom.
Nature's the best bathroom, to be honest.
Where's?
Nature.
Yes, it is. If
So-
you don't have nature, quick trip.
That's right.
Unless you need number 2, in which case, the jail.
Yeah. The office, yeah.
That works too. Is your office at the jail?
It's at the courthouse. For whatever reason, they should have. They never finished the build of the jail.
I heard.
There's like a whole sand room, size of this ER, probably bigger, just, it was supposed to be a whole nother block of cells, and it's just a sand pit.
I mean, do you even have the staff for it?
Well, no, not right now, no. But they used to hold a bunch of people from like the cities. They would send people from the cities up here, and they'd pay us to watch them. But now it's like less than 10 people in there most of the time. Hey, I gotta use the bathroom, so this is good. You rolling?
No.
Okay, it just fits him.